how to missing grid lines on Samsung camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, click on this four dot icon. So click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down, you will see composition grade is here, so make sure turn on composition grade and click on composition grade. So you will select level only, grade line only, grade lines and level. So after selecting, go back to camera app, you will see. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can missing red lines to on Samsung Galaxy camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.